Ever found yourself wondering how to better manage your study time? It's a question that resonates with many of us, especially those preparing for crucial exams like the BCS. The importance of efficient study habits and time management cannot be overstated. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving your academic goals. In this video, we'll delve into 7 main themes that can help you optimize your study routine and better manage your time. We'll explore how taking time to reflect on your goals can serve as a strong motivator. We'll discuss creating a realistic study schedule, setting priorities to focus your efforts, and creating a distraction-free study environment. We'll also touch on the importance of taking breaks to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also explore how seeking support can provide guidance and encouragement, and why maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. In the next few minutes, you will learn practical steps to improve your study habits and manage your time more effectively. Firstly, take a moment to reflect on your goals. What are you striving for? A higher grade, a more profound understanding, or perhaps a specific career path? These goals, big or small, are the foundation of your educational journey. They are the milestones you're aiming to reach and the dreams you're working to make a reality. Understanding your goals is not just about setting a target, it's about knowing the why behind your pursuit. Why are you investing hours into studying? Why are you pushing yourself to learn more, understand more, achieve more? Once you understand the significance of your goals, they become more than just a finish line. They transform into a powerful force that propels you forward, even when the going gets tough. So, take some time today to reflect on your goals. Understand their importance and let them fuel your motivation. Remember, knowing your why can be a powerful motivator. Secondly, construct a realistic and dedicated study schedule. Planning is a fundamental aspect of effective time management. Having a clear plan of action in place helps you stay focused and organized. It's like having a roadmap that guides you towards your goals. To create a study schedule, start by mapping out your available time. Be honest with yourself about the time you have and how much you can dedicate to studying each day. If you're juggling multiple responsibilities, you may need to get creative with your scheduling. Next, allocate specific periods for focused learning. This could be a 2-hour block in the morning, an hour in the afternoon, or whatever works best for your lifestyle and concentration levels. Remember, consistency is key. Finally, ensure your schedule is flexible. Life happens, and sometimes you may need to adjust your plans. Flexibility allows you to accommodate unexpected circumstances without derailing your entire schedule. A well-planned schedule can make your study hours more productive. Thirdly, learn to set your priorities. As you navigate your study journey, you'll find that certain tasks demand more of your attention than others. These may be assignments with looming deadlines or subjects that you find particularly challenging. Here's where the art of prioritization comes in. It's about discerning what tasks or subjects require your immediate attention and which ones can wait. This isn't about procrastination, but rather strategic allocation of your time and energy. Think about it this way. You wouldn't spend hours studying a topic you've already mastered while a difficult subject sits untouched. That's because not all study tasks are created equal. By prioritizing, you're giving yourself the best chance of success. You're tackling the most pressing or difficult tasks first, leaving you with a sense of accomplishment and less anxiety for what's ahead. So take a moment to evaluate your study load. Identify what needs your attention now and what can wait. Remember, not all study tasks are created equal. Prioritize for success. Fourthly, minimize distractions. Distractions are like little thieves, sneaking into your study time and stealing precious moments that you could use to absorb knowledge. They come in many forms: a buzzing phone, a noisy neighbor, or even a cluttered desk. The impact of these distractions on your study effectiveness can be significant. They disrupt your flow, break your concentration, and before you know it, you've lost an hour to a mindless scroll through social media or sorting out that pile of papers on your desk. So how do we combat these sneaky intruders? Firstly, create a study environment that's conducive to focus. This means a clean, quiet space where you can work undisturbed. Turn off unnecessary notifications on your devices, or better yet, put them out of sight. This way, you're not tempted to check every ping or pop-up that comes your way. Remember, your environment plays a crucial role in your ability to concentrate. A distraction-free environment is key to focused studying. Fifthly, don't forget to take breaks. Let's talk about the power of hitting the pause button. We often equate productivity with non-stop work, but that's far from the truth. Our brains are not designed for prolonged periods of intense concentration. They need time to rest, rejuvenate, and process information. Think of your brain like a muscle. Imagine lifting weights non-stop for an hour. Sounds exhausting, right? Your brain feels the same way after hours of continuous studying. Short breaks are your brain's equivalent of resting between sets at the gym. They allow your mind to relax, digest what it's learned, and prepare for the next round of information. Breaks also help prevent burnout. They're like a safety valve, releasing the pressure that builds up from sustained mental effort. They keep your mind fresh, alert, and ready to absorb new knowledge. So don't hesitate to take a 5-minute break every half an hour or so. Remember, breaks are not a waste of time but a tool for effective studying. Sixthly, don't hesitate to seek support. As you navigate your studies, remember that you're not alone in this journey. When challenges arise, it's crucial to remember that there are people in your corner, willing to lend a hand. Friends and family can provide moral support, encouragement, and sometimes a fresh perspective on things. Academic advisors, on the other hand, can offer professional guidance based on their knowledge and experience in your field of study. They can help you identify your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and provide strategies to help you cope with academic stress. Don't let the fear of judgment or the misconception that asking for help is a sign of weakness deter you from seeking support. In fact, reaching out for assistance is a sign of strength. It shows that you're proactive, resourceful, and committed to overcoming obstacles. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards success. Lastly, maintain a positive attitude. It's pivotal to remember that the road to success is often filled with bumps and detours. But it's how we navigate these challenges that truly defines our journey. When you encounter a difficult concept or a demanding course, don't let it dishearten you. Instead, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Take a moment to celebrate small victories along the way. Did you master a challenging topic, or did you manage to stick to your study schedule for a whole week? These are achievements worth celebrating. They serve as reminders of your progress and fuel to keep moving forward. Remember, don't be too hard on yourself. We all have moments of struggle and self-doubt, but it's crucial to keep a positive mindset. It's your greatest ally in overcoming obstacles and reaching your goals. Remember, a positive mindset can make a huge difference in your study journey. So there you have it, 7 steps to improve your study habits and manage your time more effectively. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit these points. Firstly, reflecting on your goals is a fundamental step. Grasping the significance of your education and the impact it has on your broader aspirations can be a potent motivator. Secondly, creating a schedule is all about planning your time wisely. Allocate specific periods for focused learning, keeping in mind to be realistic about the time you have available. Thirdly, setting priorities involves identifying the most critical tasks or subjects that require your immediate attention. Prioritize your study sessions based on deadlines and levels of difficulty. Fourthly, minimizing distractions is about creating an environment conducive to learning. This means switching off those pesky notifications on your devices and finding a peaceful space where you can concentrate. Fifthly, taking breaks is crucial to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Sixthly, seeking support when you're struggling can make a world of difference. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or academic advisors who can provide guidance and encouragement. And finally, staying positive through it all is paramount. We all face challenges in managing our time effectively, so cut yourself some slack, celebrate small victories, and keep that chin up. Now that we've recapped, it's time to put these steps into action. Remember, knowledge is only potential power. It becomes power only when and if it is organized into definite plans of action. So go ahead, implement these steps, and share your experiences. You see, the beauty of life lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. And in the context of your studies, falling might mean getting a bad grade or not understanding a concept. But remember, it's okay to fall, as long as you rise, learn, and grow from it. Remember, effective study habits and time management are keys to your success. So start today and see the difference. The